Hi kids! In this video I will tell you about our little baby girl, baby puppy. This is Snowflake. She's just 2 days old. She's very little. Her eyes are closed. She cannot see. And her ears are also closed. She cannot hear. This is her mom, Mila. Her mom really loves her. She gives her lots of kisses. This baby girl's name is Snowflake, because she is very light and she is very small and she is white. So we decided to give her a name, Snowflake. When she grows up, she will be fluffy like her mom. So we just thought that Snowflake is a good name for a little baby girl, a little puppy. By the way, this is a Pomeranian breed. They are little dogs. They don't grow large, and they're very fluffy. Here, Mila, take your puppy. Now, Snowflake has 3 brothers. They're also small, but a little bit bigger than Snowflake. Can you see? This puppy is a little bit bigger. So this is a little baby boy. Yes. They have pink noses. Can you see how the noses are pink? And ears are pink. Lots of kisses from Mama. Here is your puppy, Mila. Mila. Mila is such a good mom. Yes? Are you a good mother? The puppies have to be really warm. They need to stay with their mom. So they always stay with mom. They're really little and they have to be really warm. So their mom's coat keeps them, it's like a real coat. Can you see how thick her fur is? She's very fluffy. So her coat is like a real coat. Her fur is like a real coat. And the puppies are really warm when they stay with her. Yes, Mila? All right. That's it for today's video. We will make another video to show you an update on how our little Snowflake grows. But now she's eating, so we won't touch her. Stay tuned and follow along to see how our little puppies grow. They will be playful and funny and very cute. Say bye, Mila. Bye. Bye, kids. Come back.